I built a $5,000 website in 15 minutes using AI. Most people spend weeks and thousands of dollars trying to get a website like this built. Today, I'm going to do it in 15 minutes flat. No coding, no endless revisions, no chasing designers, just me, my laptop, and an AI tool called DeepAgent that's about to build a premium $5,000 personal injury law firm website from absolute scratch while you watch. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you over to DeepAgent. I've got the prompt already set. I'm on ChatGPT right now. I'm going to show you a few minutes of this. I'm going to try to keep it as entertaining as possible for what it is without wasting your time. I'm just going to show you how to do this, what it looks like, and the possibilities of using a tool like DeepAgent. If you're not familiar with DeepAgent, I'm going to tell you about it real quick. Then I'm going to show you how this. I'm going to show you this completed $5,000 law firm website that it literally created in 15 minutes flat. Now I'm using $5,000 as an example, but you could probably get that if you find a lawyer, an attorney. They'll pay that money easily for what I'm going to show you. And this literally took 15 minutes, so it's pretty awesome. The things you could do nowadays with these AI tools that are on the market are remarkable, to say the least. So what we're going to do here, this is DeepAgent right here. And this is creates apps, short videos, AI apps, MCP, and AI workflows. It's got deep research, PowerPoint, browser use, data analysis. And I'm going to take you down here and just show you briefly around. I've got videos that cover this in depth that you can watch on my channel as well. And you can see different things it creates. Just gives you ideas. AI resume analysis, AI Twitter influencer, build a game. You could basically do anything with this. It's awesome. And what you're going to do here is you're going to create the prompt, obviously, for the website. I'm going to paste it here. It's already done. This is my prompt. As you can kind of see it right here. Project Sable and Heart Injury Law. It's there's probably a real one out there, but this is the name we came up with. Goal: generate a 5-star boutique personal injury law firm website for Miami. It must look premium, load fast, and be built for conversions on mobile and desktop. After generation, provide an in-app preview and allow one-click deploy to a live public URL for demo. Output should be editable in the builder and exportable as clean HTML, CSS. The brand, as you can read on the screen here, so I don't got to go over all this. You can kind of read as I'm going along, as I'm scrolling down, kind of to save everybody's time here. And I'm going to scroll through this prompt just to give you an idea of what we're building here. Number 6. And that's that. So we're going to click build here. I'm going to stop this because I've already built it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's building it. I didn't want you to sit through the whole build because it's really boring. It's 15 minutes of coding, so nobody wants to sit through that. So I spared you the details for this. And it's going to probably ask me a couple questions. I'm just going to put go. Before I create your premium personal injury law firm website, I need to clarify a few details. Phone number. As you can see, it's asking questions. Feel free to answer those. All you do is copy and paste these into ChatGPT, and if it helps you build the prompt, it's going to help you answer all these questions to the best of, where you're going to get the best possible website built for you. I'm just going to put go because I just want you guys to see this. It's already built. And thinking. We're going to come back here, and I'm going to show you how it actually builds this. And I'm going to stop it, because it costs a lot of credits to do a whole complete website like I just did. And this is it when it's done. Right here you can see how awesome this is. It tells you everything it went through. And this, I'm going to take you to the top here. We're going to preview it. Let me see if it came up with it. View all. Preview right here. We're going to click the preview button. If it lets me. I already clicked deploy. Here's the deployed URL right here. Okay, here we go. So we're going to click the deployed URL to see what it looks like. And you can see how awesome this is. And you got I'd probably make these white. You can edit these to make the menu bars white because they need to stick out a little more, but they're all there. Different pages. Injury turned your life upside down. We turn it around. When negligence changes everything, our experienced Miami personal injury attorneys fight relentlessly to restore your future and secure the justice you deserve. It's got a phone number. Get your free case review. No win, no fee. Awesome background image. Look how good this is. Trusted by clients, recognized by peers. 20 million recovered, 15 plus years experience. How we fight for you. Free consultation, case investigation, aggressive negotiation, maximum recovery. Start your free case review. And you can see at the top here, it did. Okay, never mind. Because remember I said it's black and it doesn't stand out. When you scroll down, it's perfect. It got the white background. That looks really good. Areas of expertise, car accidents, truck accidents. And look at the images even. Slip and fall, wrongful death, proven results. And it's got $1.25 million car accident, collision resulting in spinal injury, premises liability. And these are all the different cases they got money on. Obviously they won. Client success stories. And this is crazy. This is really good. So look at that. Meet your advocates. These are be your lawyers. And it's got excellent images, managing partners, what their titles are, Florida bar, and that's probably their attorney. I'm not an attorney, so I don't know how this works, but I'm guessing that's their bar number to make sure that they're legit attorneys. You can check on it. Our commitment to you, relentless advocacy, personalized attention, proven excellence. Your recovery starts now. This is awesome. Look how good this is. Contact info is right here. Quick links. Get help now. I mean, this is a fantastic website, and it was just built in 15 minutes using Abacus. I always say the name wrong. I got people saying I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know. I haven't looked at it. I call it DeepAgent, but it is Abacus. I'm going to not even say it until I learn how to properly say it. It spells out Abacus, but apparently I'm not saying it right. And we're going to go into these little menu buttons here. Results. Look at these. All these are filled out. All these pages are filled out. This is a straight up, you can easily sell this for thousands of dollars, a website like this. For an attorney that didn't have this, and I literally built this in 15 minutes. You can edit it, obviously. Change the phone numbers and obviously personalize it to whoever. This is the contact page. About page. Our mission. At Sable and Hart Injury Law, we believe that when someone's negligence changes your life forever, you deserve more than just legal representation. You deserve advocates who will fight relentlessly for your rights and your future. We understand that behind every personal injury case is a real person whose life has been disrupted by circumstances beyond their control. Our mission is to level the playing field against powerful insurance companies and corporate defendants. Meet our attorneys. This is crazy. I'm actually really impressed how well this turned out. I mean, back in the day, you would literally pay somebody probably $5 to $10 grand easily for a site like this, if not more. Now you can do it if you know what you're doing, you know what tools to use. You can do it in 15 minutes and get all this done. Edit it to customize it to whatever if it could be your business, it could be a client that you're, doing a website for, and you can edit it to, their specific details. So that's that. Look how awesome. So this website turned out awesome. And now the next part is what you're going to want to see is how do you take this website and put it on a site once you use DeepAgent And I'm going to stop this for 1 second here. I have the link for DeepAgent, if you want to check it out for yourself, is going to be directly below in the video description box. I also have 20 free AI marketing tools. You're going to want to get your hands on that. That's going to be the second link in the video description box. And I think that's it. If I remember anything else, I'll let you know. But I'm going to go over this at the end. But what we're going to do here now is go back. This is preview. You got the code where you can copy the code right here. This is deploy. Now, if you want to put this on your own website, which you obviously are going to want to do, what you're going to want to do, I had ChatGPT publish this up for me real quick. Publish directly from DeepAgent, the one-click deploy. That's what you just seen in my tutorial video here. If your audience is using DeepAgent, they can hit the deploy button in the top right corner. This instantly publishes the site to a temporary URL hosted by DeepAgent so they can share it immediately. Perfect for previews, client approvals, or quick demos before committing to a permanent host. Number 2, export and upload to a web host. From DeepAgent, export the full HTML, CSS, JS package. I just showed you right here. That's the code. And you can always ask for that too. But you just code, copy it, and you're good to go on that. So export and upload to a web host. From DeepAgent, export the full HTML, CSS, JS package. Upload it to a hosting platform like, whoever you want to use. Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, GoDaddy, Namecheap. Ideal for full control over files and server settings. I use Big Scoots, but they're a little more expensive. I highly recommend them, but you're paying a little more. Deploy to a no-code host. Export the files and upload to Webflow, Squarespace, or Wix if they want easy drag-and-drop editing after the fact. This gives them more design flexibility post-launch, but with higher ongoing costs. 4, use a static site host for free. Perfect for small law firm sites that don't need heavy back-end features. Options include Netlify, Versal, GitHub pages, and you can read what it says next to them. WordPress integration. Export the HTML section and drop them into Elementor, SeedProd, or another WordPress page builder. This allows for easy blog management and plugin support while still using the DeepAgent design as the front end. This is what I use. So what you'd basically do is copy that code I showed you here. There's going to be code that's going to come up, your HTML code. What you can do is just ask preview code. I think I messed something up. But what you can do to make this real easy is when you're done with the website, if you want the HTML code for WordPress, all you got to do is ask for it. Can you put the HTML code I'm pasting this website into WordPress? And then DeepAgent will paste the whole code in the box right here where my mouse is moving. And then all you do is copy and paste it into your WordPress site, and you're good to go. Moving on here. Upload to a client's existing server. If a client already has hosting, use FTP, File Transfer Protocol, to upload the files directly to their server. Tools like FileZilla make this easy. Just drag the exported files into the server's public HTML folder. On this video, and this is what ChatGPT suggests, showing them the deploy button first, which I did, then walking through each of the other options, which I already did. I already showed you all that, so we're good to go. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you over to one of my sites, tell you some freebies, and like I said, if you want to check out DeepAgent for yourself, this was a awesome website that I just showed you that it built literally in 15 minutes, and it can do apps, it can do landing pages, you name it, it can do it, and you can check it out for yourself. I think it's $10, and you get like 10,000 or 20,000 credits. I'd have to go through that in another video, but it's cheap. It's $10 to get started. There's a $20 plan, and you get a lot of credits, and you can come around, mess around with this, and build some high-end assets for your business, for yourself. 80-20 rule, remember. And that's what DeepAgent and tools like this do. They do all the high-value tasks where you're going to make the majority of your money if you're doing the right tasks, obviously. So now we're going to move on. The link will be directly below. check out my AI Toolkit Vault, like I was saying earlier in this video. The link's going to be directly below. You're going to get 20 elite AI tools plus my proven prompt vault to transform how you build, scale, and sell online free. You're going to get my email storytelling generator right here. And you're going to see all these right here. The video script generator, ChatGPT prompt generator, Google VO3 prompt generator, YouTube thumbnail prompt generator, sales script generator, AI hook generator, affiliate program finder. This is an awesome tool. They all are. ClickBank niche finder, business name generator, return on investment calculator suite. I got a bunch of them, and I got a bunch not listed on here. But you're going to get access to all of these for absolutely free. Link's going to be directly below. Just let me know where to send them, and I'll be happy to send them over to you ASAP. So I'm going to end this video and it's working right now, as we can see. Oop, I forgot to stop this. All right, we're going to stop before I get charged a bunch here. But you can see it works here, and it previews it as it's building it, and it tells you what it's doing. And you can actually preview it as it's building, what it's doing, etc., etc. It's really cool to sit there and watch it, but it takes a while. It's boring. So this is DeepAgent. Like I said, if you want to check this out for yourself, feel free to check out the link directly below. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was interesting somewhat. I know some of the AI stuff can be kind of boring, but try to make it as interesting as possible. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them for you, and all the links to everything you've seen in this video will be below as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I appreciate a like. I'd really appreciate it if you give me a like on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.